Hello boss, welcome to China Tanfon. Today we would like to share you with our tailored solar energy solutions for the gravel plants in Africa.
We conducted a professional survey of this gravel plant, which has 1.12 megawatts of total equipment power and a 1 megawatt diesel generator, operating 24 hours a day. It produces 16 to 18 hours of effective production. The equipment load is 380 kilowatts during the day, and the equipment and living areas peak at night, reaching 600 kilowatts. To ensure absolute continuity of production, Tanfon has designed a 1.5 megawatt inverter based on a 20 millisecond instantaneous peak load, completely eliminating the risk of overload. To address the high daily energy consumption of 8,760 megawatts per hour, we customized a 1.5 megawatt photovoltaic system, plus 4 megawatts per hour energy storage solution. This system generates power during the day while charging batteries, allowing for 8 to 10 hours of pure battery power at night, significantly reducing diesel consumption. The system utilizes intelligent ATS switching, prioritizing solar power and using the diesel generator as a backup. Only when the battery power is low will the diesel generator automatically activate, providing direct power without requiring oil charging, ensuring the most efficient and economical operation. Tanfon offers a customized, one-stop energy solution to ensure stable production and maximize cost savings. If your factory is facing high electricity costs, fluctuating fuel prices, and production instability, Tanfon offers professional, customized energy solutions. With 17 years of experience in the African market and comprehensive life cycle support, we provide you with a complete and comprehensive energy solution. This is more than just a solar system. It's a core production asset that safeguards your business. It means absolute production continuity and ultimate energy cost control.
Contact Tanfon right now to design a one-stop solar solution based on your specific needs and operational lifestyle.